My CYTAC Megafit Low Ride Outside Holster just arrived. It fits with my Glock and with my CYTAC. This is how it looks like with my Glock. It has a lock mechanism for your safety, and my CYTAC. It's made of hard plastic, and this is how it looks like. It looks cool and snappy. So what's in the package? But first, please do not forget to subscribe. It comes with of course, the holster, the belt loop for the leg, and some spare parts, and the Allen wrench. I just made a few adjustments with the screws just to fit my Glock or my CYTAC. It fits most popular handguns like 1911, CZ pistols, Glock, and some Taurus models. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe.